This is the UFO LED high bay 150 watt light. It features a 120 degree beam angle with 22,500 looms using SMD 3030 LEDs. It features really quick installation. It comes with a hook that you screw into the top and then hang it from a hook on the ceiling. It uses a 120 volt plug, 3 prongs, so any standard outlet should work. You can also put them on a dimmer switch as well to be able to control exactly how much light and how much power you're using. So very easy to install and can be energy efficient. Now I can definitely see a lot better.